Mahal. And we are saying this again and again. It is Arvind Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal, which is the scene of crime. It is the drawing room of Arvind Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal, where the alleged brutal assault on Swati Maliwal took place. And today there are questions over evidence tampering. Now, at around the time when the Aam Aadmi Party's march, the protest march was concluding, the Delhi police reached the Chief Minister's residence. They left a short while later with some DVR recordings, and we have those pictures with us. The collection of evidence appears to be the biggest challenge for the police at this moment, and this was clear from the remand order of Bibhav Kumar. The judge in his order made a number of very critical observations. What did he say? First, he said that there was no challenge to Bibhav's past cases being mentioned and no dispute to the fact that he had been terminated as the Chief Minister's PA before the incident took place. And hence, him being present at the spot raises questions. The judge also noted that the video footage being deleted and Bibhav's phone being formatted just the previous day speaks volumes. Accordingly, the judge also went on to say that there were sufficient grounds to make the arrest. Now, this is what happened when we accessed the order on the basis of which Bibhav Kumar was remanded to custody. And like we've been mentioning to our viewers, evidence has become extremely critical. Was CCTV footage tampered with in those 3 days when Swati Maliwal, as many are saying that she was in a state of shock and she couldn't file a complaint? In those 3 days, what happened? Now, there's more breaking news coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party has come out with another claim, and they have leveled a series of allegations about this very CCTV and other footage that is missing, and they are calling this fake news planted by the Delhi police. So from slandering Swati Maliwal to now questioning the very investigation, the Aam Aadmi Party says that the news about CCTV footage going missing is fake news, and this is being planted by the Delhi police. Listen in.
कल से मैं देख रहा हूं एक और खबर, लगातार झूठ दिल्ली पुलिस के माध्यम से दिया जा रहा है कि सीसीटीवी कैमरे की जो फुटेज है वो गायब है। कमाल ही हो गया। मुख्यमंत्री आवास की सीसीटीवी की फुटेज डीवीआर समेत पुलिस कल ही ले जा चुकी है, डीवीआर समेत ले जा चुकी है, और खबरें प्लांट की जा रही है कि डीवीआर नहीं मिली, फुटेज नहीं मिली, फुटेज गायब कर दी गई।
So the Aam Aadmi Party, Shivani, has come out and has said that this news about CCTV footage being deleted is fake news. So who are they questioning? One, they said, is the Delhi police that is planting fake stories. On the other, I think they haven't seen the order yet, because it is the judge who himself has noted that the phone being formatted and the CCTV being missing from that pen drive is speaking volumes. And there is reason enough to believe why this accused should be remanded to custody. So who is the Aam Aadmi Party questioning?
Sagarika, see, the whole episode of Swati Maliwal's assault has been quite an embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party right from the beginning, when after the incident on 13th, on 14th, Sanjay Singh had come out and given out a statement of 90 seconds where he had admitted and said that Bibhav Kumar has misbehaved with Swati Maliwal and action will be taken against him. And the very next day he was seen moving around with Bibhav Kumar along with Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. No action was taken in that period of time. We'll also keep tracking the movements out here, Sagarika. I think there will be some movement here from the police station. And yes, Aam Aadmi Party is now accusing its own MP, its own party's MP, of a kind of a conspiracy that has been planted by the BJP. The press conference that was held yesterday by Atishi and also by Arvind Kejriwal, whatever he has spoken, he did not speak a word about Swati Maliwal. He's just speaking of BJP planting the whole conspiracy and trying to put everybody from the Aam Aadmi Party into jail.
Right.
And he says that I'm coming to BJP office, just put me in jail. But the question out here, Sagarika, is BJP knows and everybody knows that Arvind Kejriwal is already in jail. He is out for some time till 1st of June. So why is he challenging the BJP to arrest him once again?
Right.
How can somebody arrest somebody who is inside the jail already? So this is embarrassment for Aam Aadmi Party. They are not speaking about anything on Swati Maliwal, not sympathizing with her, despite the fact that Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh, the MP, he had admitted that she has been misbehaved with by Bibhav Kumar, and later on we see that now they are trying to put allegations on their own MP, a lady, a woman who has been with them in their
So
movement.
embarrassment after embarrassment, Shivani. The Aam Aadmi Party, be it this incident which involves their own Rajya Sabha MP, a woman who's claiming that she was brutally assaulted inside the Chief Minister's residence on the day she wanted to meet him. And right now, there's also embarrassment coming in from some of the allies of the Aam Aadmi Party in the INDIA bloc. But there seems to be some confusion there as well. Now, there are alliance members, be it in the Congress or in the NC, who are not on board with the Aam Aadmi Party's protest for Bibhav Kumar. Who are these leaders? What did they say? Take a look.
क्या सच है क्या नहीं है ये तो तहकीकात ही पता चलेगी, उसके बाद ही मालूम पड़ेगा। लेकिन इतना मुझे मालूम है कि आपको याद होगा दिल्ली में जब निर्भय कांड हुआ था और पूरी आम आदमी पार्टी सड़कों पर उतरी हुई थी, इन लोगों का भी ये कहना था कि अगर किसी भी महिला के साथ किसी भी तरीके का अगर ऐसा उनके साथ कोई बिहेवियर होता है जो उसे पसंद नहीं है या कम से कम वो कहती है, तो उस कानून के तहत आज कम से कम ये कहा जाता है कि अगर कोई महिला कहती है कि मेरे साथ दुर्व्यवहार हुआ है तो उसकी बात को प्रामाणिक रूप से, प्राथमिक रूप से सच मानते हुए जिस पर ये उंगली उठाई जा रही है उसे ये सिद्ध करना पड़ेगा कि जो उस महिला ने कहा है वो सच नहीं है, और तब तक गिरफ्तारी होनी चाहिए। तो विभव कुमार को जो ले गए, मैं कोई ये नहीं कह रहा कि मैं उसके साथ हूँ या खिलाफ हूँ, ये उस कानून के तहत है।
किसी भी व्यक्ति को, चाहे वो मंत्री हो या मंत्री का सांत्री हो, ये अधिकार तो नहीं है कोई महिला पे अत्याचार करे, कोई महिला पे अन्याय बर्ताव करे, चाहे वो महिला एमपी ना भी रहे, एमएलए ना भी रहे, महिला तो महिला होते हैं। कोई भी महिला पर इस तरीके की अत्याचार, सम्मान को लेकर छेड़छाड़ करने के अधिकार किसी को नहीं है। तो इसके लिए सख्त कार्रवाई होना चाहिए। जो दोषी, वो दोषी को हिरासत में लेना चाहिए।
And it's time now for us to slip into a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now. We'll get you another big story right after this break.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।